So hello guys, today we'll be solving this question number 23. So the question is, a 100 ml solution was made by adding 1.3 gram of Na2CO3 into XH2O. So the normality of a solution is 0.1 N and we have to find the value of X. So let's get to the answer. So normality is given by the formula of N is equal to number of gram equivalent into 1000 upon volume. So here we'll solve it. So 0.1 by 2 into 100 upon 1000 so is equal to 1.43 upon 160 plus 18x. So we will put this 160 plus 18x into left hand side, and on the right hand side we'll get 286. So after solving this, 18x is equal to 180, we'll get the answer as 10. So x is equal to 10, hence 10 will be the answer. Thank you.